At least one person was killed and 6 others were injured after a portion of canopy just outside the Terminal 1 of Indira Gandhi International Airport collapsed on cars, including taxis, amid heavy rain in the national capital today. The incident took place at around 5 a.m. as the shades outside the Terminal Number 1 of IGII Domestic Airport, spanning from departure gate number 1 to gate number 2, collapsed and fell over vehicles that were parked at the terminal. Following the incident, Union Minister of Civil Aviation, Kinjarapu Ram, inspected the site and maintained that immediate priority were given for safe evacuation of all passengers from the terminal. He also maintained that passengers will receive full refunds or the option to rebook on alternative flights and routes, as all flight operations from Terminal Number 1 have been temporarily suspended, while operational flights that were to depart after 2 p.m. were shifted to T2 and T3, that is Terminal Number 2 and Terminal Number 3. The Union Minister also announced compensation of 20 lakh rupees for the deceased kin and 3 lakhs for each of those injured in the incident. The incident occurred as the national capital received incessant rains. The heavy rain resulted to waterlogging in multiple areas in Delhi, Noida and Gurugram. Roads in various parts of the city were inundated with water, leading to long traffic jams. The water also filled metro stations in some areas, causing much inconveniences to commuters in the city. Meanwhile, the incessant rain has brought down the temperature below 40 degrees Celsius, bringing some relief to people in the national capital.